I ordered the Pure Capsules Delay Release Acid Resistance, and they work perfect for the Hiprex that I take and actually the antibiotic that I take. So this is the Hiprex here and just fits perfectly right in there. A little tiny bit of room to spare. This is the 000 size, so the biggest size. I also use it for the antibiotic I take, and slips perfectly in there and caps it off. And I would not be able to take the Hiprex or the antibiotic without using these because it does upset my stomach, and when I use these I can take it with or without food and it's not an issue, and I would not be able to do it without them. So 5 stars, 10 out of 10, love them.